power, and versatility in a compact size. The 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless half-inch driver drill and hammer driver drill.
Been a carpenter for 33 years now. You can see we had 5 inches of snow last night. We had plenty of power to go through all 5 2x4s at one time. What I like about the drill that I use is very compact, easy to use, and no fatigue whatsoever in my wrist, and that's a big deal.
It's very important considering how many holes you're going to be drilling a day. You're going to want something that's easy to use and something that's light. These are window headers, and we put them up, and they have to be pre-drilled so that when the guys go up to put them up, they can just put the bolts in and go. So on a daily basis, we have to mark exactly where the holes are going to be drilled, and I put my half-inch unibit on, and then I get my slick stick and I grease up my half-inch unibit, and I proceed to drill about 1,000 holes a day.
Well, the size of the drill really makes it better. It gets into tight spaces a lot easier than the older models.
The weights, the brushless, it's just amazing. It's working great. Just drilled 15 holes, took no time at all.
Both drills are equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. They're compatible with MAKITA 18V Lithium-Ion batteries with the fastest charge times in their categories. MAKITA Lithium-Ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty.
Higher amp is the better. With 5 amp, you can go twice as long as a smaller battery, worth every dime.
They're part of the MAKITA 18V series, the world's largest 18V lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. One LXT system compatible with over 150 solutions.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend this drill to anybody that's looking for a new drill.
Absolutely cordless. Anytime you could get rid of the cord and be more mobile, you're saving money and time.